Hello students, now we have seen two examples on one function and on two function. Next we see I take another example. Example is written like this: if f is function from set of real numbers, positive real numbers to close interval minus 5 infinity open interval is defined by f of x is equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Then show that function is invertible. Then show that function is invertible with f inverse of y is equal to square root of y plus 6 minus 1 upon 3. We have to show that function is invertible. What do you mean by invertible function? Invertible function means function should be one function and it should be onto function. Means we write to show to prove function is invertible. Invertible means to show f is 1 and onto function. F is 1 and onto function means G circle f of y is equal to I y, that is y, then and f circle G of x, G circle f of x is equal to identity on x and f circle G of y is equal to identity on x. That is, we start from this. Let me take the given function f of x is equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Then what is f of x? It is y. 9x square plus 6x minus 5. We write it in the form of perfect square. That is 3x plus 1 whole square. What is 3x plus 1? Whole square is 3x square plus 2 into 3x into 1 plus 1 square. That is 9x square plus 6x plus 1. Means 9x square plus 6x plus 1. 1 means we have to write here minus 6. Minus 6 means 1 plus 1 minus 6 means minus 5. Then it is minus 5. Therefore, y plus 6 is equal to 3x plus 1 whole square. We take both sides square roots. By taking square roots, we get square root of y plus 6 is equal to 3x plus 1. Means under root of y plus 6 is equal to 3x plus 1 means minus 1 is equal to 3x means x is equal to square root of y plus 6 minus 1 upon 3. What is x? F of x is equal to y. Implies that x is equal to what? If f of x is equal to y, then x is equal to f inverse of y. F inverse of y. F inverse of y. That is, x is equal to g of y. Means f inverse of y. F inverse of y is equal to g of y is equal to square root of y plus 6 minus 1 upon 3. Yes. Then we take G circle f of x. Then we see what we get. G circle f of x. We take G circle f of x. G circle f of x is equal to G of f of x is equal to G of, what is f of x? 9x square f of x is equal to y 9x square plus 6x minus 5, that is g of under g of 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6. Therefore, what is g of y? G of y is equal to, here you should observe carefully what I am telling you. You should observe carefully. G of y is equal to what? Square root of y plus 6. Square root of y plus 6 minus 1 upon 3. Then g of y. You consider it y. G of y is equal to square root of here y. What is y? 3x square. 3x plus 1 square minus 6 plus 6. Then plus 6. It is in under root. Then minus 1 upon 3. That is equal to under root of minus 6 plus 6 will get cancelled out. And under root of 3x plus 1. Under root of 3x plus 1 whole square. That is 3x plus 1. 3x plus 1. It is 3x plus 1. And minus 1. Then upon 3, that is 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. That is 3 cancel. That is x. G circle f of x is equal to x. Then second means G circle f of x is equal to, that is identity x. Means now we take f circle g of y. F circle g of y. F circle g of y means f of g of y means f of, what is g of y? G of y means what? M inverse of y. That is g of y. Under root of y plus 6. Y plus 6 minus 1 upon 3. Then what is f of x? F of x is nothing but, we have written 9x square plus 6x plus 1. 9x square plus 6x minus 5 means 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6. 3x square plus 1, 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6 means it is under root of 3 into is equal to 3 into x. What is x? Square root of y plus 6 minus 1 upon 3. It is x. 3x plus 1 whole square 3 into x. 3x, that is 3 into x, then plus 1 whole square, then minus 6. That's why I told you observe carefully. F of x is equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. It can be written as 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6. 3 into x. F of x. This whole expression is consider is at x means 3 into x. 3 into this one is x. Under root y plus 6 minus 1 upon 3. Then plus 1 as it is. Then minus 6. Here 3 will get cancelled. Then square root of y plus 6 minus 1. It is plus 1 whole square minus 6 means again square root of y plus 6 minus 6. Y plus 6 minus 6. Then it is equal to square root of y plus 6 whole square. That is y plus 6 minus 6. Again it is y. Means f circle g of y is equal to also identity y. Then if g circle f of x is equal to x, f circle g of x is equal to y. F circle g of y is equal to y. Yes, it is y. Then the function is 1 1 and onto. Therefore, the function is 1 1 and onto function. It is 1 1 and onto function. If the function is 1 1 and onto, then and then only we say that the given function is inverse invertible function. Let me take another example. Again, you take one example like this. If f is function from r minus 4 by 3, r minus 4 by 3 2r defined by f of x is equal to defined by f of x is equal to 4x upon 3x plus 4. When x is not equal to minus 4 by 3, the inverse of f is given by the inverse of f is given by first option is g of y equal to 3y upon 3 minus 4y. Second is next one. Second option, g of y is equal to 4y. 4 minus 3y. upon 4 minus 3y. Third option C, 4y upon 3 minus 4y. And last option is given g of y is equal to 3y upon 4 minus 3y. 4 minus 3y. gy is equal to 4y upon 4 minus 3y. Let me try to solve this example. Such type of examples are frequently asked in board examination for 1 mark. 4 options are given A, B, C, D. We have to choose the correct option. Which is correct? The option we have to choose. Here function is from r minus 4 by 3. R minus 4 by 3 means domain is set of real numbers except for minus 4 upon 3. Then codomain is real numbers, set of real numbers defined by f of x is equal to 4x upon 3x plus 4. What is x? X should be not equal to minus 4 by 3. X should be not equal to minus 4 by 3. Means what is f of x? We take it as y. 4x upon 3x plus 4. Then cross multiplication 3 into xy plus 4y is equal to 4x. Then 4y is equal to 4x minus 3xy. That is 4y is equal to 4. That is we take x as the common. Then 4 minus 3y. Therefore x is equal to 4y upon 4 minus 3y. F of x is equal to y. Then x is equal to f inverse of y. That is x is equal the function g in y. Therefore, f inverse of y is equal to 4y upon 4 minus 3y. That is, g of y is equal to 4y upon 4 minus 3y. It is the inverse of the given function f of x. What is? Then we search the options. Option 4y upon 4 minus 3y. Yes, it is given. Then option B is correct. We write answer as option B. Option B is correct. Then you solve the one example I give you. If f is function from R to R, if f is function from if f is given function from R to R, then f of x is equal to 3 minus x cube, 3 minus x cube power 1 upon 3. Then f circle f of x is. Then find f circle f of x. It is the question for homework. You solve this. I tell you answer also. Answer is x. Answer is x. Dear students, you solve all the examples which are left over in this exercise 1.4. If you get any difficulty, then you should feel free to ask me on WhatsApp group or personal phone.